how to add a shortcut widget to the lock screen on the iPhone. First, let's return back to your lock screen by pressing on the side button here. This will take you back to the lock screen. Then touch and hold. Now tap on the customize button at the bottom. Then tap on the widget panel here. Next, we scroll down and tap on shortcuts. Then tap on the shortcut widget to add it to the panel. At the top here, tap on the widget. And from here, you can select your shortcut. So there are a lot of shortcuts available for you to use. So you can choose to set the shortcut to open up a contact or to make a call. So here I can set it so that it will call the person. So then I close. Now close here and then tap on done. Okay, after you have assigned a shortcut to the widget, you can tap on it on the lock screen and ask you, do I want to call? Just tap on yes, and that will allow the phone to make the call immediately. So depending on your shortcut, it will run different action. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.